Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So yesterday I told I'm going to short the market and many people commented both in comment section, YouTube comment section and even in Telegram that I am mad, I don't know that and this, everything they are saying. So you have to remember, see, I am not an amateur trader. If I am shorting the market means maybe I'm selling 18,100 call option or 18,200 call option or 18,300 call option, right? So I'm not going to sell it naked, right? I'm going to have plan A, plan B. If plan A is not working, plan B is going to work or plan C is there. If the market gaps up or if there is some issues or if the market is moving on the higher side, there is going to be some other plan which I have, which we will execute to limit the losses or come out with some small profit, right? That is the objective or that is the thing here, right? Now, if to be specific, I will tell you yesterday I sold only 18,100 call option. Today I sold 18,200, 18,300 and hopefully market is going to gap down tomorrow. So that is what I see when it comes to open interest. So if you see not the open interest, US futures, as I talk to you, US futures are down by, I think Dow is down by 200 points, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is down. S&P VIX is up by 1.03%. FTSE is down, DAX is down by 1.5%. FTSE and France, London, UK and London, France is almost flat. So looking at all these things only, I was thinking that I should go short in the market, right? Now everybody is long in the market and that I can feel from the way people comment in comment section and Telegram also. Now we have taken a contra view. If we win, we will make really good profit. If we lose, we will make some small losses. So the risk reward is in our favor. So that's why we have taken. Plus theta decay is also going to work in favor of us. Tomorrow is an expiry. So that's why we have taken this trade. So tomorrow if the market even opens flat, maybe we will see some profit because of theta decay and so on and so forth, right? So I'm not going into technicals. So I just want to tell you what is the plan. That is why I'm mentioning all this. And hopefully I am telling you tomorrow, maybe the market will gap down. Looking at the US futures and everything, whatever happens around us, I can see that my instinct, as I told you, my instinct or my perspective is that market had rallied so much. In fact, for the last 10 or 12 trading session alone, we have rallied Nifty. I'm saying example Nifty from 16,500 levels to almost 18,000 levels, right? More than 1,000, 1,300 or 1,400 points rally in Nifty, and Bank Nifty has rallied more than 2,000 or 2,500 points. So you must understand that market works on cyclicals and it doesn't keep on moving in one direction. At any point or somewhere it has to retrace, and that is what is happening. And if you are aware or if you know that institutions short the market when every retailer or proprietary desk is long in the market. So that is what will happen. And tomorrow, as I told you, maybe we will see a gap down, and maybe I'm not going to say market is going to go below 16,000 or maybe 16,800. There will be a correction, maybe 200 or 300 points, and this correction is a very, very healthy correction. You don't mistake me, this correction, this kind of correction, you see, any indices or any stock, it is not going to move in one direction. There has to be correction. So I expect a correction. Maybe I have expected it too early. Maybe tomorrow we will see a market going on the downside, right? So Dow Jones is down by 242 and SGX Nifty is also down. And one more thing you have to realize today is that the only reason why markets were going up was because of Bajaj twins, right? I think Bajaj alone, Bajaj Finance was at one point of the time, it was up by more than 6%. You see this graph, this is the graph of Bajaj from 7,300 all the way to 7,643. Then we saw some profit booking, and Bajaj Finserv also was performing. If it was not Bajaj Twins, we would have market Nifty would have not sustained this one, and maybe we would have anyway, in spite of all this happening, Nifty was only able to move around 100 or 120 points. You imagine if Bajaj Finserv was not there, then what would have happened? Maybe we would have gone down, right? So that is why I was saying I am seeing some kind of loss of momentum in the market, and market may retrace, and hopefully tomorrow, if I am right, market may expire between 17,500 to today's high of maybe 17,800, 850 levels, right? That is what I anticipate, and that is how I have taken the trades so far, right? So today, and one more reason, if you see the open interest, today's Nifty open interest, there's 17,800 people. This 17,800, 17,850 people who had returned, who anticipated, who expected Nifty might not go above 17,800 was running for cover. In fact, they squared off more than 68 lakh contracts, or they have booked a loss in 17,800. So that could be one reason market has shooted up. Otherwise, it's not a big rally and all, 100, 120 points. Even India VIX has gone up by, I think, slightly up by 0.5%. So looking at all this, I'm thinking that the market may retrace, and I think market, whoever had sold call option today are smart, but fingers crossed, time is there. Today my US market has to open, then tomorrow Asian market has to open, then we don't know what is going to happen. Market may even go up, I may go wrong also. So my general perspective or my perspective is I have shorted the market, but long term I will be long only. For now we will go long only, but short term, since the market has rallied so much, I anticipate or I think we need some correction, and that is why we are seeing all these things here. So let's see how things pan out, and this month turns out to be a very, very good month. We are sitting in comfortable profit. Not only us, people who follow us also are in good profit. Mentees who follow us also are in good profit. So if you want, you can join the mentorship program, for which the link is on the description below. And nothing else. FIAs, I think today also, I think FIA data would have not yet come. So let me check if FIA data has come. I don't think so. Yeah, this is yesterday's data. Yeah, FIAs have bought for around 2,347 crores, and DIAs have sold for 510 crores, right? So looking at all this, I'm not still panicking. I'm just holding my position, short position. So let's see how things pan out. Fingers crossed. Let's see, this is part and parcel of the trading fraternity. No, if you are wrong, you have to book losses, you have to accept your losses. There is no way you can keep on making profit. One day or other day you have to book some losses also. It is not an issue. We will see how things pan out tomorrow morning. It is too early to tell anything now, right? So I hope I have summarized everything. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.